Hi everyone, my name is Juni and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at the Splinterlands governance token SPS. Let's see what's happening right now. So the first thing that I wanted to highlight here is over the past month, it's important to understand on a broader scale what SPS just went through. So SPS went through a very classic Elliott wave structure where after a low of 19 cents, suddenly you have a 5-wave move to the upside. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. If you believe in Elliott wave theory, what tends to happen after that is after a 5-wave run-up, you have what we call an ABC correction. And that's exactly how it played out for SPS. So you have the A here, you have the B, and now we're undergoing through a C wave before we continue moving forward. So a lot of people make the mistake that trying to time the bottom for C waves, but that's actually impossible. It's very, very hard to time the bottom. Nobody actually gets it right. The key thing to answer here is, how do we know that the C wave trend, the downward trend, is over? So it's not about timing the bottom, because that's impossible. What matters is, have we broken the trend back to the upside? Let's look at lower time frames to see where we are. So I'm going to focus on the C wave here, because this is the most important wave that we need to see if we are finally out of the woods. The first thing to note is on October 18, we started trending down. So the beginning of the C wave was here. And if you notice, the price action went through a broadening descending channel. So how that works is the price just keeps going down this channel, but this channel is widening, if you notice. So broadening descending channels are typically bullish structures, but only when price has finally broken through the upper trend line, because otherwise the price action will just keep going down until that happens. So we've broken through on October 28th. But unfortunately, after we broke through the upper trend line, instead of going back up, we went down another broadening descending channel, this time all the way to around 44 cents. But now we have broken again. Is this trend break for real? Or is there something else that we need to account for? So when I zoom into the recent trend breaks, what we see is we do have a confluence of bullish structures appearing. So the first thing to note is, because we have broken through this trend line, so the C wave here, we have broken through the trend line, we formed what we call a double bottom. So a double bottom is quite a bullish structure, because what tends to happen here is we find support in key levels for us to continue moving forward. It gives confidence to the market that we are ready to move on. Typically, when you have a double bottom here, you have a technical target, which is the height of the bottom. So in this case, this line is equivalent to this line. So now that the double bottom has happened, we have a technical target of around 71, 72 cents. Now what you're seeing here now is what's happening here. I thought we're going to go to 71 cents. Why is price action going down again? This is actually perfectly normal, because again, after a huge run up from 45 cents all the way to 63, it's very common to have a sell-off a little bit so that we can find support before moving on. So in the short term, let's see what we can aim for, or we can map out the scenarios so that we know what to do moving forward. We have a number of scenarios that are happening right now. So over the past couple of days, SPS tried to form an ascending triangle. So an ascending triangle is you have a resistance level here, but the price keeps going up. Typically, this breaks on the upside, but unfortunately, when you break structure, what tends to happen is your new technical target would be the height of this triangle. So in this case, so I've copy pasted this line over here. So you overlay that line where the structure breaks, and the technical target is around 55 cents. We have actually already achieved the technical target here. So now we wait and see what's going to happen. If the price finds support in the EMA, so the moving averages, then we continue to move up from here to meet our technical target of 71 cents. But price can go down too, and if we go on the downside, these are the areas or the levels that you can expect that price will play out. The first thing is we will probably find support at around 51 cents. So if we continue to go down, expect either a bounce here before we move on, or if we go down a little bit further, the next level of support is 49 cents. So if price would break down from here, expect 49. Maybe we'll play a little bit here. And worst case scenario is if we fall down even more, then expect a target of around 44 cents. And let's see where it takes us once we get there. Okay. So these are the potential scenarios that are happening for SPS in the near future. So let's see where SPS takes us. In the meantime, that's it for today. Do like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.